Guys, I bought top 5 laptop gadgets from Amazon and you're watching MrTechie YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's get started. And that's it guys for today. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you don't like this video, go with the dislike. But let me know in the comment section reason behind that dislike. Guys, if you are trying to throw your old earphones because of the sound decreasing that, then you should see this video before throwing it out. And subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.